Hello there, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to install Anaconda on your Windows. So, open your favorite browser and you can start by writing Anaconda. Probably the first link here is the one that you should open, anaconda.com. After opening the website, you can go to the Products tab and then click Individual Edition. And here you have the download button in green for Windows. If you want to install it in the other operating systems, you have your options here. At the time I'm recording this Anaconda version has the Python 3.8, which is completely okay. So all you need to do here is to press the download button and choose your path to the installer. I will save on downloads. So after the installation being complete, you press on your installer. And here you click on next and then you need to agree with the terms, so you click agree, and then here you can install just for you or all users within that computer. In my case I will install just for me. Here you can change the path of your Anaconda and it will require almost 3 GB. I will leave this destination folder and press next. Now there is an important thing here. If you already have Python installed on your computer, you should not select this one. You should go further only with this checkbox, because this is not recommended once you already have Python on your computer. So if you want to check on your computer if you already have Python, all you need to do is to open the command line and write Python version. In my case I have 3.9.7. So this is not recommended. Then you press install and it will take a few seconds. Let's fast forward. After finish the installation, you press next and then next again, and here I will unselect these two. Okay, now after the installation you can go to your Windows tab and here you can see that you have Anaconda Navigator, Anaconda PowerShell, Jupyter Notebook, Spider and Anaconda Prompt. To start, let's open the Anaconda Prompt. So inside the desktop app of the Anaconda, here at home you are able to see the applications that you can use within Anaconda. And besides the Home tab, you also have Environments tab, where you can create and manage your environments. So another important thing that you can also explore, you go to Anaconda prompt and here you can write Python version. And you'll see here the Python version that you will be using inside of Anaconda. Besides that, you can also check the Conda info. And here you can see that the Conda version is 4.10.1 at the moment I'm recording this. And in case you don't know, the Conda is an open source package management system which is very useful to install Python package. For example, you can use Conda, install NumPy, as well as the pip package manager. Now, if you want to install and use the Jupyter Notebook or the Spider, you just go here to Home and then you launch which one of them. So if this video was helpful, let me know in the comments and consider smashing the like button to support the channel. I hope to see you around. Cheers, bye.